we got a songstress in the house. And we want to let her come on up here and do her piece. And then we gonna go to Wilmington on fire. But we want this sister to light this stage up on fire for us today. And this is something that I just truly love. The last time we shared a stage was in Bluffton, South Carolina, where she's actually from. And you can go on up there, man, if you want to like a prayer. But this is Miss Latrese Bush. Her mom, Laura Bush, is here. And I remember when her mom contacted me and said, we're opening a Boys and Girls Club. We back in there at Washington again, right? A Boys and Girls Club. Queen Quinn, I want you to be there for the opening. I took it as an honor. And I had my first opportunity to actually hear Sister Latrese Bush and that presentation that day. And so since then, she has traveled around the country. She's traveled to New York. And recently, and I was upset because she just went on and did her show the weekend. I couldn't fly up there, but that's all right. Hopefully a lot of money at the Metropolitan Room. Yes, it was good. And she did her release of her EP. And so I asked her to please come this year. Her EPs are here that you can purchase and she autographed today. But to come and share not only some tunes that inspired her and made her the beautiful, wonderful singer that I enjoy. Every time I listen to her song, it is truly a great day for me. But also for her to share from her new EP. And that song that I love she can do at the end. Great day. But I bring to you my home gal from Beaufort County, South Carolina, Bluffton, South Carolina. Latrese Bush.
Queen Quinn, and thank you all as well. This is a wonderful experience. I won't talk a lot, but one thing I will say is that I am very, very proud to be a Gullah Geechee. It hasn't always been that way for me though. Growing up in Bluffton, South Carolina, we are surrounded by different ski and Hilton Head Islands, so we are truly Caribbean-sounding folks. And when my father would get up in church, and he would just murder the English language along with his father, I was like, I would scoot down in my chair and be so embarrassed because that's not what we were taught in school. And I just felt so embarrassed with my father, like, wow, maybe he didn't get to finish. I know he has a high school diploma, what happened? And I was so embarrassed until I went to the University of Georgia. And I was in a diversity class and nodding off as all the other students were. And so, but the professor put on a video, and it happened to be about the Penn Center. Mr. Mars Campbell from Hilton, he does a lot of work with Emory Campbell, he does a lot of work. And so they put this video on, but wait a minute, I know those people. And he talked about, he just talked about how this is a language. It has rules. The people have a culture. And I was blown away. So after class, I went to him and said, I'm a Gullah. Just like people, people, they get all familiar. Oh, now you're a Gullah. Yeah, I'm a Gullah. I'm a Gullah Geechee now. Yeah, so I know those people. And I called home. I went to my room and called home and told my mother, I said, I need to apologize to my daddy. He ain't that bad after all. They're talking about him at the University of Georgia. But no, I'm very, very proud of the Geechee. I wanted to start the set, if I could, with the song that, my uncle's here, my father's brother, his father, tall, strapped, red man in Bluffton, he used to call him Boy. Now, I'm not sure why he was called Boy Bush, but that seems, why was he called Boy? Do you know?
Well, this name is ended up in the first cemetery.
Really? Yeah. Wow. His name is George. That's George Jr. there. But he would sing the song, and that's why, for me, I do travel all over the world. I sing with Gloria Gaynor, the song I Was About. So I travel all over the world with Gloria Gaynor. And let me say a few things about myself, because, I'm pretty proud, because, coming from a small town, folks don't really push you to do much, but I had a mother who didn't make me feel like I was weird, and my dreams didn't matter, and so she really encouraged me. And so next week, I'm actually singing with the Barcades. I'm on their new single, so when you hear the Barcades on the radio, the song called Up and Down, who's the girl? It's a Gullah Geechee from Bluffton, South Carolina. gospel music. I still sing gospel music. Currently I sing jazz and R&B. But songs are like poetry. And I didn't realize how much of a poet I was at all, as well. And, or maybe I'm just lonely and want to fall in love, and that's why I wrote this next song that sounds a lot like an Anita Baker song. But I call it my letter to the Lord. Lord, I want a guy like this, the best. Okay? This is my letter to the Lord. Send me this dude. And if he sends me this dude, look, but make sure I know it's him. Because sometimes we be looking at the wrong stuff. You know what I'm saying? We be looking at how he drives a car, he got a job. No, he didn't have a job. He doesn't have a car. Doesn't have to be a Mercedes or, you know, an executive position. Sometimes we look at the wrong stuff. But send me the best for me. And make sure I know it's him. This is the song that I wrote about that. I hope you like it. Send Latrese the best. But you know what? Do it for yourself. I'm praying for myself. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. But do that for yourself. All right? If you got the best, take care of her. Take care of her. I don't want to preach. I don't want to preach. But no, I really appreciate y'all. That is that song. So I have one more for you. And this one, you know, like I said, sometimes, especially in life has its ups and downs, its trials and its tribulations. You know, and if we're blessed enough, we'll have more good times than bad, right? But sometimes when the bad times come, you gotta just encourage yourself. You gotta speak to yourself, you know what? It's gonna be a great day anyway. Yeah. You tripping, but I'm gonna move on. It's gonna be all right. You gotta encourage yourself, and you have to talk yourself out of some ledges mentally, right? So this song for me is like an affirmation. It's my theme song, and it says, I am not going to worry. I am not going to fight. Today is going to be a great day, better than yesterday. I'm going to love me completely. It's going to be all right. Today is going to be a good day. Great day. It's going to be a great day. All right?